The foundation of our building is very strong. This is what is said by one of my building mates. That he happens to be my neighbor as such. And he is an engineer. When it came to purchasing this particular flat, I consulted with him and he said that Alok, the foundation of this particular flat scheme is very good, very strong. So we can expect that building will last long and it will give us a very good returns also in future. So then I purchased this flat. Then I thought, if the building is to be considered as one of the best buildings, its foundation has to be very strong, has to be stuffed with the quality steel, cement, concrete and whatnot. When it comes to people, their foundations, they are also required to be very strong. Then only we can say we can last long in our careers, in our desired fields as such. And I don't say this. This is said by Shiv Khera in his very famous book, You Can Win. In its first chapter itself, he says that foundation has to be very strong. And he gives the name as total quality people, TQP. And this total quality people, the characteristics of those total quality people is decided by the integrity, good values, character and the positive attitude. Then he says, many times we have also experienced this. Many times we go to big hotels, 5-star hotels for some programs at all. And we see over there, like the receptionists, they have a very good habit of giving a smile to the customers as such. Whosoever enters and reaches that reception spot, she or he gives a very good smile. Hello sir, how are you? But many times he says that although they might be smiling, but it becomes very mechanical many times because they have been trained like that. But many times we see that a smile is coming very artificial. Why? Because it is just because of the training they have, but they don't have the desire to serve people. And this desire comes from their positive mental attitude only, to excel in the workplace, to excel in their given career. Then only they can think of giving a very good smile, very genuine smile. Otherwise, it will only be a mechanical or a routine thing for them. Then he talks about Calgary Tower in Canada. He says that it weighs around more than 10,000 tons. And out of that, more than 6,000 tons, that is the foundation of Calgary Tower. And that's how he says, when the foundation is very strong, then only one of the biggest buildings is standing for a longer duration, is standing tall. And just because of the positive attitude, we as a human being can also stand very tall, very strong in our given life, in our given careers or in our given particular fields. I have one personal example of this particular attitude or this positive attitude characteristics, integrity. I went to one of the hotels. It was a mediocre hotel as such. It did not have a very huge ambience over there. It was a restaurant basically. After having our dinner, I went with my family over there. The dinner was costing around 1700 rupees. We had a very good dinner over there, and after the dinner, when it was the time to pay the bills, I paid 1700 rupees and then 50 rupees as a tip. I gave 2000 rupees note, and then I thought 300 will be returned to me, and then I'll pay 50 rupees as a tip to this waiter because he served very well. He came back to me with the change and then returned me all 300 rupees, and then I left. I took 250 rupees and 50 rupees left for the waiter. We stood up and we started towards the door, exit door. The waiter came back and he said, "Sir, your 50 rupees. I said, "This is for you." He said, "No, sir. My restaurant pays me a lot. That is sufficient for me. It's your humbleness that you are giving me the tip. But actually, sir, I don't require the tip as such. Please keep your money with you." That day I learned about the integrity, the attitude of this person. This may not be with each and every waiter or every person who's serving over there. But this particular waiter, he had so much of integrity, so much of positive attitude towards his workplace that he returned my money to me. That is how the Shiv Khera also quotes very well. When the person has a very good positive attitude and the foundation related to it, he will absolutely be growing in his career as such. From that day onwards, whenever I get the time, I go to the same place because of his honesty, because of his attitude. I like the attitude of this person. So attitude makes everything and every difference in our life. This is Alok Joshi, the student of public speaking and human behavior, watching you smiling over there. We'll meet again with the same smile. Thank you very much.